WMAZ weather, sponsored by Bucky Holland Heating, Cooling, Plumbing.
Better to see the rain and storms on a Thursday as opposed to football Friday night and tailgate.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Looking quite nice right now, Frank. Thankfully, you definitely
Fingers crossed for tomorrow. We don't want what's out there now.
Right.
or what happened last Friday.
Yes,
especially for the people there in Perry and Houston County. But definitely over there in that area, you've seen plenty of showers and storms. You take a look here at the sky cam here in downtown Macon. That's exactly what we're still seeing here. Showers and storms still starting to fizzle out. Current number now 73, so humidity's right at 100% because of that, and it feels like 73 as well. So mid to upper 70s, you can see the rain-cooled air, especially over there in Warner Robins and around the Perry area. 73 looking like the cooler spots for the people in East Bend and Dodge County. Definitely break the jacket out. Still some winds coming out of the south and west right now, and all that's doing, ushering a lot of that muggier stuff, especially there in Lawrence County. That's generally one of the warmer spots. So you're not seeing the 110s, 115s, 120s, anywhere upwards of that for the triple-digit heat. You're most certainly still staying in the mid to upper 70s. So here tonight, mostly cloudy once again, like it has been really all day, thanks to the stationary boundary sitting here in central Georgia. Scattered showers and storms remain, much of which just depends on the amount of moisture we have in our atmosphere throughout the overnight here tonight. So current satellite and radar shot, you actually can see the stationary front. We'll zoom in, take the clouds away just to show you what's going on here. I'll go up top just to show you much of what has been, fizzling out there in Putnam County, moving over to Sparta and Hancock County and that area, Baldwin, really Jones, down to Bibb, moving into Twiggs County as well. All this stuff continuing just to really push out of central Georgia, especially down here in Dooley County, now moving into Wilcox and some now into southern Dodge. So that's all we're dealing with when it comes to the current satellite and radar shot, much of which continuing just to fizzle out here throughout the overnight tonight. Starting tomorrow morning off on, kind of a more cloudier note as what we did here today. Early afternoon and evening hours continue with the pop-up stuff as well. Looking quite nice around the 7 o'clock hour for football Friday night, much of which getting out of here around the midnight hour as well. And then going forward from here, Saturday morning looking like that same situation. We actually have another cold front pushing down into central Georgia. That'll bring a little bit more cloud cover, and then the afternoon rain chances are just going to continue through the afternoon hours as well on Saturday. Sunday forward, generally the same thing as well. And then we'll just continue watching rain chances and really continue watching Tropical Storm Dolly now. Not really going to be in any way impacting here in central Georgia. It's really expected by really the next couple of days, continuing to stay right at tropical storm status and then getting over the Lesser Antilles by Sunday morning. So as of the latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center, it's going to start running into a little bit more sheer and more drier air. So impacts here in central Georgia really are going to be minimal, really, if anything, just more moisture pumping into the southeast. So going forward Sunday into Monday, even into Tuesday, summertime pattern ramping right back up. Less of rain chances Wednesday forward is what it's looking like right now. We have an area of high pressure starting to settle back in here. So that's what you get, that normal summertime pattern is looking what we get back into next week. And you really take it the 7-day forecast, warming up into the lower 90s. I know we haven't heard that in a while. Ending August off on a general normal note, and then starting September off on, a warmer note, warming back into the mid-90s by this time next week. Still sprinkling in the rain chances each and every afternoon.